Welcome to the video release notes for Perspective VMS version 1.3, released on January 25th, 2013. Perspective VMS version 1.3 includes a couple of feature enhancements, a couple of modifications, and some new aspects for users to enjoy in the administration module. Let's begin our module by module search in the camera viewer. In the camera viewer, the first thing that you'll notice is the capability now to fit window viewing or fill your screen. This allows you to have a more command and control approach to your viewing aspect. So if I want to minimize the side panel, minimize the foot panel, and I want to eliminate the shadow box around the containers, you can do so with the fill screen. This will ignore the aspect ratio but allow you to fill your entire viewing space with video. Another unique aspect added to Perspective VMS 1.3 is the ability to have audio on cameras. An audio slider will allow you to adjust the volume up or down or mute the camera entirely. A new integration with Perspective VMS 1.3 is the ability to use Axis's P5544 panoramic PTZ. The panoramic PTZ is a normal PTZ camera that also has a secondary panoramic lens attached to the bottom of it, allowing you to see a full panoramic of an image and then drag out of that image into a normal PTZ camera. This is a great multi-purpose camera and an integration directly into Perspective VMS. On the Maps module, a slight modification was made to the top map button. Previous versions of Perspective VMS, the top map button became relative to whatever the last map you viewed was. So if I drill down to the United States, when I navigated on or off through different modules inside that session, the United States would become my top map. In Perspective VMS 1.3, we removed that and made the top map back to your global top map. So in this case, for us, it just happens to be the globe. Another addition, or another enhancement, has to do with our global search capabilities. We've added the capability to include image extraction text into the global search, allowing you to quickly find not only image extractions, but specific details within that image extraction itself. Also, tested and functional within Perspective VMS 1.3 is Windows 8 support. Windows 8, of course, is noted for its touch screen, and Perspective VMS has always been touch-friendly. With no right-clicks and no hidden menus, Perspective VMS is the perfect VMS for a touch-enabled monitor. Lastly, let's take a look at administration. For integrators and installers, the configuration has been modified a little bit to increase the capabilities for you to add user permissions. So for example, if I look at the user permissions now, I have a new layout with a setting tree that is hierarchical. So you can set and eliminate permissions based on one or two clicks. It really allows the user to have full control of what they want their groups to access. One other change in the administration module has to do with the camera screen. In our camera screen, we do allow for you to grab an image of that camera. This image is used not only in administration, but also in your active cameras that are set up for your select switch camera. This image is, or has been, a continuous grab. Therefore, every designated period of time, you would grab a new image to fill your thumbnail. This allowed a user to see a relative field of view and understand that they were grabbing the correct camera. Sometimes, however, this turned out to be a problem in dark server rooms or exterior cameras at night, grabbing an image that was purposefully dark. So, Perspective VMS 1.3 allows the user to set either a continuous grab, a fixed grab, where you would capture the image at one time and that would maintain the thumbnail indefinitely, or an interval grab, and that interval grab would then grab it daily at a predefined time. Lastly, when making changes to a camera, if a user changes the IP address or changes a setting, instead of having to leave perspective to restart services, now a message will come up allowing you to refresh the services now. You can choose yes or no if you want to restart at a later time. Thank you for watching this brief tutorial on Perspective VMS version 1.3. For more information, please check out our other tutorials online at lensec.com.